Mixing raw materials for finishing is one of the core competencies in the paper industry. The plants operate round the clock, leaving virtually no window at all for time-consuming maintenance work. Our mag meters can measure viscous, virtually unmeasurable coarse paper or cellulose pulp with high fiber content. In fact, in extreme cases, we can even measure aggressive liquors at temperatures up to 180 degrees Celsius. In this sector, as elsewhere, rationalization and cost efficiency are key issues. The requirements on metrology and instrumentation in terms of robustness, dependability and resistance to vibration are correspondingly high. These are the reasons why the pulp and paper industry is one of those that has deployed mag meters with such success. Manufacturing well over 100 special kinds of paper, Ziegler is one of the companies that have long put their faith in proven metrology and instrumentation from Endres & Hauser.
Which requirements for mag meters rank highest in this sector?
Our main concern is the durability of the meters. They have to work smoothly despite fluctuating process temperatures, and they have to be vibration resistant. And we need meters that give us reproducible results over a long period of time. Our production quality depends on our ability to meet these requirements.
How do you choose meters for your process?
Experience, empirical values. That's why we have a high proportion of meters from Endres & Hauser. These meters are built to last. We have the option of retrofitting meters of the same design or improved meters if and when the need arises. The primaries industry depends on flow meters that are robust and remain stable over a long period of time. Mag meters from Endres & Hauser are suitable for aggressive applications. Natural rubber measuring tube linings are ideal for coarse-grained slurries, for handling sand and gravel, and for suction dredger work. The meters used for fine-grained slurries have polyurethane-lined measuring tubes. The tunneling machines built by the Herrenknecht company in Schwanau, Germany, spend their entire working lives dealing with extremes of wear and tear and dust-laden air. In this sector too, mag meters are becoming more and more common. Typical applications include measuring bentonite and even severely abrasive slurries laden with fist-sized rocks.
How big are the rocks you expect to have coming through?
About the size of this rock I'm holding right here. The crusher on the drilling head pulverizes them. The rocks measure from 80 up to a maximum of 100 millimeters. This is the spoil that we extract with bentonite and pipe up to the surface. The bentonite suspension has to be recycled again and again because of the enormous costs involved. We use a separator that adds fresh bentonite, and this enriched suspension is pumped back to the drilling machine. These are the extraction and feed pipes. The extraction pipes take away the spoil. The feed pipe carries the supply of fresh bentonite suspension to the machine. We use mag meters to monitor flow. Here's one of the meters in front of an extraction pumping station. The robust ProMag sensors have a wide range of materials, measuring tube linings and process connections to fit any requirement. Sieber Spezialitätenchemie is Switzerland's largest manufacturer of dyes for the textiles industry. And the company knows just how capable Endres & Hauser meters have proved in process control. In this building we produce dyes for wool and cotton. We need aromatic amines in this process, which involves their reaction with other components. Precision flow meters are essential for us because that's how we control component measurement. There's no way we can sell a color that's not exactly to specification. These are the premises of Sieber Spezialitätenchemie in Basel, Switzerland. We have equipped 2 boilers for a grinding unit with ProMag P mag meters from Endres & Hauser. We measure flow with limit value monitoring. We have process instrumentation to control the way in which the various raw materials are fed into the mix. Depending on the application we use, Profibus, DP or PA for the hazardous area installations. And the HART protocol remains just as important as it always was for us. As far as flow meters are concerned, we always require a cost-effective solution, and this is where Endres & Hauser come in with their modular system. We get just what we need. not more, not less. Our partnership does not cease on handover of the automation system. Proximity to clients is an essential aspect of our extensive sales and service organization. Optimizing installed measurement systems and maximizing their life cycle is invariably a job for a specialist.
What do you expect from competent service?
First off, competent service should be available 24/7, because our plants operate round the clock. The service technician has to be on site with relatively short notice, and we always expect to see the same faces, people who are familiar with our operations and know the specifics of the situation. That way, they can deliver know-how at the right place and the right time to get us back up and running without unnecessary delay. We, Ziba and Endres & Hauser, always combine forces to find the optimum, most economical solutions to any challenge in metrology. Excellent service and a very good and extensive range of products are the reasons why we consider Endres & Hauser a totally reliable partner, and a very creative one into the bargain. We see Endres & Hauser as an experienced, solutions-oriented competent partner for all aspects of measurement and metrology. Competent field representatives, engineers and application consultants support you on site in a combined effort to find the best technical and economical solution. We are happy to gauge ourselves by your satisfaction. We opted for Endres & Hauser because we've been working together successfully for many years. We appreciate the quality of service and we can recommend the company to anyone. The range of mag meters from Endres & Hauser is a perfect result of our long experience. These meters do not merely satisfy the requirements of a given industry. They are also fully compliant with the proven ProLine device concept. Needless to say, our transmitters have flexible inputs and outputs, field bus communication, hazardous area certifications, and much more. The readily understandable local displays are a good example. Quick setup menus make commissioning speedy and straightforward. The entire stock of measuring data is stored safely in a removable data storage module. Special software for commissioning, testing and sizing enables you to maintain optimum support for each of your measuring points. The compact and robust ProMax sensors are available in all the usual pipe diameters, pressure ratings and materials. We have process connections for any application, and the range of linings includes polyurethane, PTFE, PFA and natural rubber. Worldwide, we have sold over 800,000 mag meters. Measuring flow has never been easier.